In the last video we drew a rose. Today we're going to paint it using acrylic paint. I'm never usually satisfied with doing just one version of a drawing or painting, so today I'll be doing two, so stay tuned till the end to see the results. Now we know the yellow rose is the rose of friendship. But when it has a little red tinge on the end, it's referred to by its common name, the peace rose. Another name which this rose is known as is Gloria Dei, which is God's glory. So let's push the envelope a little further and give this rose a background. I want to get a watercolor type effect, so I'm going to make the background a little wet by adding some water with my paintbrush. I'll be using blues and whites and a touch of purple to get a hazy light effect. Before we see the results of the rose with the background, let's move on to the next painting. So I've repainted the rose and I decided with this one, we'll give it some leaves. You'll notice every time you redo a drawing or a painting, it is slightly different. It's never the same. So let's take a look at the results of our two rose paintings. Enjoy. So there we have it, two renditions of the same rose. As this rose is called Gloria Dei, I'll be dedicating it to someone who has its namesake and who is very special. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. Wishing you much love. Peace.